Hello, welcome back to Matplotlib and welcome back to Python. Today we are looking again at bar charts. I mean the bars we got in our third video, I don't know. And we wanna do back-to-back bar charts, a variation of our bar charts. But of course, because it's been a while, I will repeat a little bit regarding bar charts. So first of all, we imported NumPy and Matplotlib. Let's create two NumPy arrays. We wanna name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And array 2. This is the height of our bars. The first one is the kind of position of our bars. 1, 6, 8, 9, 0. Should be the same shape. Now, as a reminder, we used bar as a method. Input first is the first array because the positions and then the height or the value. And of course we need plt point show. Okay, and here we go. Of course, because number 5 has the value of 0, there is no bar. But this is pretty obvious. And you can, like always, you can alter your chart regarding colors, labels, percentage, all stuff like that. You can even add a legend, but that's not what we are looking today. Today we are looking at the same, but back to back. So what does it mean? We kind of wanna create a second bar, and we can of course use again the bar function, do it again like this, array 2, and run our code. And as you can see, it just got red, but nothing interesting. So what we can do is pretty simple. We can use a minus array. Each value will get minus. Or we can, let's do it in a simple way first. Let's do minus, so each value will get negative. Okay, because in that case we of course need NumPy arrays. Don't create just lists. It's much easier to work with NumPy arrays. In that case I forget it, but you shouldn't. Don't do my mistakes, learn from my mistakes. Okay, let's run it. And here we go. Pretty simple. It's kind of mirrored in a strange way because they are the same values but negative. So let's change it. And of course we can even add another array. Let's do array 3 equals NumPy array, not append, array -1, -2, -7, -3, and -1. Let's change it to array 3. And again, here we go. That's exactly what I meant. We can do the same but horizontal by adding an h. So it's of course it's another function. You can see it's bar h for bar horizontal. Here we go. And that's probably it. Pretty short topic for today, but kind of served as a reminder of bar charts, added some new stuff, and kind of a follow because I'm preparing a much more complex video which is just 3D plotting, but can be much more confusing, so this shall serve as a little gap between those topics. See you, and wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye.